Welcome to Finland, where rice is cooked like pasta and pasta is cooked like potatoes. Ah, potatoes.
Boil 'em, mash 'em,
Stick 'em up your ass. I cannot go on vacation until I can prove that our country exists. For those of you who do not know what I'm talking about, just go watch my previous videos ending. But for those of you who are aware and know what's going on, I have managed to find the perfect way to prove that our country exists. Let's head off to the kitchen.
Welcome to my kitchen. Now, I'm gonna be showing you exactly what ingredients we'll be using. For starters, we got our rice. And this rice here is Cambodian jasmine rice, which is personally my favorite to use. This is the exact same rice, just in a jar, and there's just about 100 grams left, so it's the perfect amount for this particular video. So, the cooking instructions for this particular rice are, as you can see, 6 deciliters of water, 3 deciliters of rice, and half a tablespoon of salt. Now, for those of you who know anything about cooking rice, you would know that, as the French say, c'est dégueulasse. That is not how you cook rice. I will not be using this to cook my rice. This is a civilized household. 炊飯器がありますよな。これを使います。As Uncle Roger would say,
saucepan. Hiya. World War II is over. Use technology.
in order to cook rice, first you gotta wash it, and you gotta rinse it about 3 times. And of course in Finland, we are world famous for our pure and clean water. This tap water even is cleaner than what you will find in most mountain springs in the world. But just to be extra sure and to really show my appreciation for the rice, I decided to go with an even purer form of Finnish water. I decided to go with the 35% Finnish vodka, with all natural Finnish ingredients. So let's wash the rice, shall we? So, let's go ahead and pop the cork open, shall we? The lovely smell of paint thinner. It doesn't get any better than this. And here we go. Oh yeah, that's definitely gonna get that rice clean. All the germs and all the bacteria will be gone, gone, gone. But of course it wouldn't be right of me to waste all of this vodka. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour it into a glass and enjoy some of it. Okay, bottoms up. Doesn't get more refreshing than that. But let's wash this rice 2 more times, just to be absolutely sure that we've got it clean. But there is something that I forgot to mention. I'm not just gonna be cooking any kind of rice today. I'm gonna be making black rice. And I'm gonna show you how to turn this ordinary white jasmine rice into black rice. If you're from Finland, well, you already probably know what the secret ingredient is. That's right, salted licorice vodka. Oh yes, really spread it around, really get it around. There we go. Mix it around a bit. And there we go. Up until the first joint of the finger. And now our wonderful concoction is ready to cook. Delicious. And now we wait. На здоровье. Okay, so it just went into warm, and it looks like the foam is subsiding. So this should be ready to eat pretty soon. Okay, I've got my little paddle ready. Let's get some rice. So this is our delicious salmiakki rice. As you can see from the color, this does not need any other sauces. It is perfect as it is. Let me show you. It's perfect. It's a bit crispy. It's got that stickiness to it that you have with short grain rice and glutinous rice. And it has the exact same taste and flavor as salmiakki ice cream. I'm not even joking. This is legitimately pretty damn good. So, considering that this is the first time that I've made this, I'd say that this was a fantastic success. And you know what? I'm actually gonna have another bite. This is legitimately pretty fucking tasty. Salmiakki rice. Who would have known? I certainly didn't when I decided to make this video. In any case, everyone, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial on how to cook rice the Finnish way. And I'm not even joking. Salmiakki rice was surprisingly tasty. I hope that you've been entertained, and if not, then at least you learned something new. That salmiakki goes well with everything, including rice. Thank you again for your time. Ja nähdään perkele ensi kerralla taas. See you in the next video. Doesn't get more refreshing than that. Oh, Jesus, that's actually horrible. Oh, Jesus, why did I do that? Why did I do that? That was bad. That was really bad. Oh, God, I think I'm gonna be sick.